What have I been doing?
Some stuff has changed.
Yeah, I'm back now. Hi everybody, it's Natalie.
Hey everybody, it's Nakia here.
Hey guys, welcome back to our channel.
It is day 1000. I don't know what day it is.
I think last time we talked, it was basically maybe like
3 months ago. One thing is I started working again. I now work from home, my regular hours, which is 10 to 6. And it's okay. It's actually a little annoying if I'm being totally and utterly honest. Yeah, it's a little annoying because kind of like how Natalie was feeling in the beginning, like there's no disconnect between work and home anymore. It's just like all work. So it's slightly taking over my life again, and I'm not sure if I really like that.
I'm super busy and like not busy at the same time. Like I feel like I'm not doing anything, but I also feel like I'm doing like everything. I have started baking cookies and they're really good, and I think I'm going to start selling them too.
I'm still working from home. I've been really occupying my time. If you've seen some of the videos, I like tried to like go through a lot of like my stuff in my closet, reorganize my apartment. So that's all been done, and now I just have since I'm indoors like 24/7 pretty much, I've created a space that I can tolerate and kind of still have that separation of work and home.
Also, since then, we have a new roommate, 2 new roommates.
Our friend and her baby, my little niece. She's so cute. They came and now we all live together, which is fun. Something that we have to get used to, but it's still fun. I am enjoying it. I am watching said baby for the most part, and I love it.
Okay, I have just been really busy filming content, and not only for like Sound of Bulbs, but for like my channel, for a collab that I have with another good friend of mine, Kipper. And yeah, just really trying to stay busy and active so I don't get into that lazy slump.
Happy birthday, dear Natalie. Happy birthday to you. I scheduled a doctor's appointment all on my own. I didn't know how to schedule doctor appointments before. And if I had a problem, I would just go into the ER. Oh my God, Nakia, what's going on?
I went to film a movie for like 3 days. It was like the best 3 days ever.
Like me and Nakia and Natalie kind of came up with a plan, which I think you guys will enjoy very much, but we just gotta like get it going. But I am excited for it, and it should be bringing you guys more singing videos and music. Lord. It sucks that you guys can't sing.
Go over there, Bible.
Yeah,
I've also been teaching myself the guitar, so let me play like one thing that I know that I learned. I suck, just ahead of time. started it.
I feel like also like nothing's new, but like a lot has happened. Just like living life, really.
Yeah, but whatever. Yeah, other than that, I'm doing okay.
My family's fine. I hope you guys' families are fine. Our friends are good. But let us know how you guys are doing during this time, because some people haven't gone back to work. Some people are still on their like coronacation. Some people are just enjoying their best lives, and some people are going a little stir crazy. So let us know in the comments below what is the best and the worst thing to come out of this quarantine time for you guys. All right.
Bye.
See you guys. Bye. Cutest freaking thing ever. And my kids will be so sick of my ass because I will make them do this shit. I will make them recite scenes from movies, and I will give them costume changes, and I will direct them. And they'll be like, "Mom, can we just like play?" This is playing.
Happy birthday, Natalie.